morning everyone, happy Saturday and happy Easter to everybody. Carol here at Oak House Journals. So time for the random subscriber random giveaway. So I'm all set up. These are the two little kits. So let's go with this one first, which is the Blackberry one, and then follow that up with the Holly and the Mistletoe. I've got everything set up here. The URL is in. I've filtered out duplicate users. I've checked that the number of comments are unique for this particular video, and if I just scroll down a little bit, let's get started. Okay, so this is for the Blackberry, and this one will go to Sandy Sasha. They're adorable. It's very nice of you doing a giveaway again. Thank you so very much. Oh, that's lovely, Sandy. So Sandy, congratulations. You've won this little kit today. And let's go again for our second winner. And this one will go to Billy Nufa or Nufa. Oh, Billy has said not entering but wanted to wish you a blessed weekend. Oh, Billy, that is lovely. Thank you so much. I should have filtered you out, shouldn't I? But never mind. Let's go again. Fingers crossed, everybody. Thank you so much for that comment, Billy. That was lovely. And this goes to Arlene Rowe. Very sweet. Thank you, she says. So, Arlene, you are the winner of the Holly and the Mistletoe kit. So, as always, if our two lovely winners could just email me with your postal addresses, then I'll get these two little kits popped in the post to you. Massive congratulations to you. And to everybody else, there is another draw tomorrow. There's one tomorrow, this Easter Sunday, and then one the following week. We also may have this one. This was the Winter Angel. Now, Maggie, you were the winner of this last week, but I haven't heard from you with your email address, not your email address, your postal address. So, Maggie, if I don't hear from you by this time next week, when I do next week's draw, then the Winter Angel kit, this lavender and lace one, will be added into the prize draw. So, please, please, please contact me if anybody knows Maggie. Just give her a nudge, will you please? All right, everybody. Have a fabulous weekend. Enjoy your Easter break and take care, and I'll be back soon. Bye-bye now.